Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at Constantine Middle School. Actually spoke at the high school in the LGI there, and it was grades 6 through 8, but also the freshmen, grades 9, at the high school. And the main focus today, home of the Falcons here, was all on anti-bullying, but more than that, choosing to look at someone's heart first and foremost. And like the shirt says, one race human, that we choose to see everybody around us as human beings before anything else, and that we are able to let love fully enter our hearts as big as our fist, to finally turn that into this, where one finger is ourself and the other one is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, by how we choose to treat that person and show them the same kindness that was shown to us, that has hopefully helped to heal our hearts. Like I always say, healed people heal people, and once we can become these healed people, and it's up to us to go out and show that compassion to everybody around us, no matter how they're born, if they're taller, shorter, wider, thinner, different skin color, talk different, walk different, think different, learn different, see different, hear different, whatever it is, that we can still show that kindness. You know, Mark Twain, one of the quotes that I mentioned in my talk, said that kindness is the language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see. And yes, they can't really hear it or see it, but they can feel it in their heart. And so many of us that finally understand that we are good enough. Now it's our job to go help others see that they're great enough too. And that starts with knowing our worth, our value. I talk about the M in all of our poems. M for miracle, the lines on our hand, and upside down, W for worthy, worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And then we can finally take action, right? That, you know, one kind word can change someone's entire day. It can save a life. And when we know the impact of our words and actions, we use every breath, every heartbeat that we have here on this planet to spread that peace and to spread that love without any conditions. So it was a very emotional day. I had a lot of students that reached out that you know, were in pain or have been going through something, but realized that the best way they can honor somebody's legacy if they lost somebody, or the best way that they can, you know, approach a situation, is out of a space of love, and know that that person that went before them, you know, still lives on in their heart, and that they can honor this earth and their classmates and this community and everybody around them by choosing to always show kindness, choosing to always show love, and choosing to always live a life devoted to peace. So you guys touched my heart. It was beautiful just to meet all of you. Hope to see you again soon. Never forget that you're beautiful miracles. And I'll never forget your faces. Until then, much love. Peace.